Hello, this is Jyoti. Welcome to my channel Tranquil Living JS. So this video is going to be a bedroom makeover and I'm super excited about this one. Let's get started. So the room looked like this, and waking up to this textured blue wall wasn't the most soothing feeling, so I decided to change it. Now coming to the inspiration, we were driving around and we stopped by this beautiful brickfield area. There was this exposed brick wall which looked stunning. Have a look. So here is what I did. I took a chalk and I drew the structure of the bricks on the wall so that I could have a rough estimate about how much of material I need. Once I was done with that, then I started with the scrubbing of the wall. We tried to doing it with the sandpaper, it didn't work. Then we tried with the steel wool, that also didn't work. So we were left with no other option but to hammer the wall and use putty instead to give a texture to the wall. Once we were done with that, then we used a coat of white paint to cover up the putty. We let it dry for a day and later we started to put up the bricks. Now coming to the material we used, we didn't want to risk it since we were doing it all by ourselves. So instead of using the actual bricks, I used pine wood here. I went to the timber factory and I got the pine wood cut in the measurement of 7.5 inches, and from there I got all the material. I got it home, gave it a good coat of paint, and then we stuck it on the wall. Since there were a lot of blocks which I was dealing with, I arranged them in a section so that it makes my job easier. Once they were all arranged, I could just take a paintbrush and in one stroke I was able to cover up multiple blocks at the same time. So Sarah also wanted to help me, and this is how she was helping me by increasing my work. But yeah, it's a good family time when your kids jump in to help you. And that's my husband helping me by dropping the phone. So I wanted to incorporate the leaves as well, which I saw on the field, but I wasted my entire day on this because in the final look it didn't look good at all. So I had to let go of it and cover it with the bricks entirely. For sticking the blocks on the wall, nail and hammer seem to be taking a lot of time, so glue gun is what I used in the end. What do you want to say?
Putting the blocks in the string line.
And then what?
And put it in the wall.
Okay, and how will I put it on the wall?
And put on a hammer.
Hammer or the glue sticks?
Glue stick.
Yes, so we'll apply some glue on the blocks and then we put it on the wall, correct?
Correct.
Will it look nice?
Will look nice.
So this is when the actual work was done after putting my daughter to bed. And the most important thing is, while you're putting up the blocks, make sure to use a leveler so that your bricks are in a correct alignment, and please do not eyeball it. And we ran out of glue sticks. So we are done for today. It's almost 3 a.m. and we have made a good progress. Let me show you what all is done till now. So if you can see, all this area is done, and there are a few ones left on the top corner that I'll try to wrap up tomorrow once we get the glue sticks. So the next morning the leaves weren't looking good at all to me, so I decided to cover it all with the blocks. So we needed more blocks now. I went again and I got them done, and so you'll see some unpainted ones now because I was anyhow going to change the color of the entire wall. So I got this shade of wall color from Asian Paints Royale version. Time for some DIY, so I had this table runner with me which I wasn't using, so I gave it a good coat of paint with some shades of golden because that is also part of my color scheme. Later I ended up using it as a plant cover for the new plants in my bedroom. Since my background of the wall is white, so I had to make a little piece from macrame so that I could put it in the center and the white color could resonate from the background. Hello everyone, so we are finally done with the wall and the new color looks so much better as compared to the previous one. I'm so happy with the outcome. Now we are just left with the final little touches. Let's get started. It's all done now. Ready for the final reveal? Such a learning curve. I loved every bit of it and I hope you like it too. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.
Hello everyone. So ये है हमारी दीवार, देखिए कितनी अच्छी दीवार. Camera